Okay. That's good. Where's the where's the tower?
509 FT 啊個即係
Where's the tower?
yung welcome palace. Saan kaya yung sa ring
Nasaan yung tower?
Hindi pa tayo pupunta sa tower, yung ano lang muna, welcome Paris.
Ganun ba?
Yung tower, dadalan niya tayo dun sa Eiffel Tower.
Oh. So, where is the welcome?
Hanapin ganda sa banda dyan eh.
Where the... Wait, my legs hurt.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the tower right there.
Yeah, idadalan niya tayo dyan. Pero...
Yeah, we will go there later on. That's what I said.
The monument there.
Yeah. De France. Pa ako na ito. Kanina ang ganda ng kiramdam ko eh.
Minum ka ng ano dad.
Wow, nagkada. Wait, na eh.
Ano mo na muna.
Okay, yan pa. Yan pa.
Turn your head. Turn your head and right here.
Welcome to Paris. For the hindi na tayo sa aeroplano na eh. Yeah. Ito, Musée del Home. Sasakay pa tayo dito sa taas. Ito pala, oh. Wow. Parang ano mami sa Cebu? Dito pala kinuha sa Cebu may ha. Wow. Look at that, mami. That's the iconic wow, look at the beautiful. Dito tayo mag-shot. Oh, that's good. That's beautiful. From California. Oh, US. California, USA.
USA.
Yeah.
From Senegal.
Senegal? Okay. Yes. Go to America, man.
Go to America.
Go. You go there. Visit me.
Mama, you first time come here?
First time to take picture of that.
1 minute. You take a picture like this, Alpha Tower. Come here, mama. Come here, mama. Like this.